Hey you guys, this is Mr. Sal. We're just going to look at some basic problems with multiplication on this one. And we will look at a couple. So we'll start with 8 times 11. So this would be 8 groups of 11. So I'm going to have 11. And this is going to happen 8 times, right? Now we can list it like this and just do the addition this way. And that would be 8 11s right there. Or we could do the stacked multiplication like this. Now we generally put the larger number on top, but we don't have to necessarily. And in fact, I kind of just want to show this one using the repeated addition on this one. So if we were to add this one together, it'd be 1 plus 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 1, which is 8, or 8 ones right there. And then also, in addition to that, that's just the ones place. There was nothing to carry over into the tens place, so then we'd add all those ones and get the same number of ones like that. So the answer to this one is 88, which is the same answer we would have gotten from the multiplication right here. Now, in addition to that one, we'll also do this one as well. So this is 31 groups of 343. Now, I'm not going to list 343 31 times. This one, we're definitely going to need the multiplication on this one. So we're going to start in the ones position, which we're going to get, and we're going to put there. That would be the ones position multiplication. And then from the tens, we're going to put in this second row, and that's from the 1 and the 3 that we're multiplying. Now, since we're multiplying with the tens, there is no ones in the tens value, so we're just going to put the 0 there right now and go ahead and start on our multiplication. So I've got 1 times 3, which is 3, 1 times 4, which would give us 4 tens, and 1 times 3 in the hundreds position, which would give us 3 hundreds. And in addition to that, we'll multiply from the tens of 3 times 3. 3 groups of 3 tens would be 90. 3 groups of 4 would be that would be actually 120, so I'm going to show the 1 over there. And 3 groups of 3 there, again, is 9, but then we're going to add that 1 into it, which makes it a 10. Now, these values we're going to add because it was, the 30 is really just 30 plus 1. The 31 is. And so we're adding the 1s from the 1 and the 10s from the 30. And when we do that, we get a 3 here, there's a 13, carry the 1. That'd be 6 there, and 1 0. So that'd be 10,633 would be our answer for this multiplication problem. And I also decided to do this last one as well. I think this is a good type to do. Now here's the nice thing about this is it's 3 tens and 7 hundreds multiplied together, right? Well, what this means is we can take the zeros. Since it's multiplication, we know the answer will have those 3 zeros. Well, what goes to the left of those zeros is just what we get from 3 times 7. And 3 groups of 7 would be 21. So it would have a 21 and then the 3 zeros. That's just 21,000. And that would be our final answer on this one. Alright, so that does it for this one. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope these 3 problems helped you guys out with your multiplication. If you did like the video, make a comment below and subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you guys in the next video.